Okay, example 8. This is also trinomial. This one's not quadratic yet. All right. Notice we have x cubed. It's cubic. All right. But it is only 3 terms, so it has that ability to become a quadratic. We always want to look for a common factor first, but you'll notice that 3, 15, and 18 all divide by 3. X cubed, x squared, x are all x's, and x to the first power is what I'm allowed to take out. The lowest power of x is what's going to be common. Anything higher than the lowest power wouldn't be common for the lowest power term. So x is in everything, x squared isn't. So that's why x is common. Can't go higher than that. And then we simply divide each object by 3x. Divide numbers first. 3 divided by 3 is 1. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Only write the 1 if nothing else shows up. 15 divided by 3 is plus 5. X squared divided by x is x. 18 divided by 3 is plus 6. X divided by x cancels. Again, since I wrote a number down, I don't have to worry about putting a 1 there, so it's just 6. So I've taken out my common factor. Notice what's left over in the parentheses is a quadratic trinomial, x squared plus 5x plus 6. So now we're back to the factoring technique we just saw in example 7. Two numbers multiply to make 6 that add to make 5 are?
3 and 2.
3 and 2. So x plus 3 times x plus 2 is how what's underlined in red factors. And then 3x was the common factor. It's still part of the factored form because it brings down. And that's it. Be careful with 5 and 6 because 5 times 1 makes 5 and 5 plus 1 makes 6. And sometimes people do the wrong one here. So 5 and 6 is one that tends to get some mistakes on it. So 1 times 6 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. And that's another thing. So there's lots of ways to make 5s out of 6s and 6s out of 5s. So always make sure that we're multiplying to make this number. Those two numbers should add to make that number each time.